Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome back to PitaChew. All right, you guys. So what we got going on today is this was all homemade. All right. Obviously, I didn't grow this watermelon, but we have some collard greens. We have some cornbread, and then we have some chili. Chili. All right, you guys. So everything here again is plant-based. All right. This time around, I did not put any Beyond Meat. So this is just all beans and vegetables and all that shenanigan. I hope you guys are doing okay. I am really, really starving. I didn't even eat nothing whatsoever today. So I am literally dying of hunger. But first, we need to lubricate the throat. Man, you guys, I am exhausted. I did some gardening today. I am finally planting my own food. So it is some back-breaking work, y'all. But I think it's gonna be worth it. Not only that, it's probably much cheaper too. No pesticides or anything like that. Again, everything that I got was organic. So no pesticide and any gunk used for the plants. So I bought them, what do you call them? Starter plants when they're already, yeah, I didn't buy the seeds. I already bought them, already grew a little bit. Oh, you know what? Why not? Let's just get a watermelon. This is the first solid food I ever eaten today. My back is hurting. I got a headache. It's probably from the pollen. What do you call those? Pine pollen? From the pine tree. They are everywhere, even in the car. It's a slight orangey, powdery stuff. Man, I'm so done. Here, go ahead, take a bite. Ooh, it's a little salty. Oh, let me tell you what I got. I got some collard green. This is what I got from my plant, my first garden ever. Got some collard greens, got some lettuce, onion, kale, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. Oh, I got two version. Actually, I got three. One is just a regular strawberry. The other one is it's bubblegum. I think it's supposed to taste like bubblegum. And then I have another one. It's a white version. It's all white. So the blue strawberry is white. So I can't wait for that one. I think that's it. I think that's all I got. Oh, some cucumber, and some cabbage and zucchini. And of course, I got some herbs. You know, got the chive, got the mint, cilantro. What's another one? Bailey's. So I can't wait. Wait for the summer to hit. Okay, let's try this cornbread. Actually, I'm just gonna take a bite. So dense and sweet. This is annoying. Put you down. Oh, it's exactly what I needed. You know what I forgot to get? Some watermelon so I can plant them. I love watermelon. Guess what? The parks are open. Last time I went, it was closed. Not only that, there's a lot of places that are open that they were closed due to the pandemic, but now they're open. I think they said by May 1st, most of the stores should be open. Oh, and the gym is open too. So can't wait to get back in there. Have you guys got your stimulus check? Stimulus check. What the hell is how you pronounce that word? Anyhow, I got mine. So what I did with mine is I paid off a credit card, and then the rest, well, not the rest, some of them I bought the plants. I think I spent like $400 on plants, and I think 200 bucks on what do you call that? Dirt, whatever you call that. Excuse me. Dirt, plant dirt, garden dirt, flower dirt, any dirt. The dirt that comes in a bag, all right? Soil. Okay, that's what I meant to say. About the stimulus check. I was shocked that I got one because I don't know if I should say it before they, government see this video and be like, you know what? I'm going to take that check back. Never mind. Never mind. This is, I don't know what's going on with I don't know what's going on with you, but you a bit salty here. You gotta go. Whew. I'm out of cornbread. Ooh. That was good. I think too much salt on the greens, but oh well, it's still good. Anyhow, thank you guys so much for having lunch with me. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Click on that bell so you can get notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ofatu. Good night. Well, have a good afternoon. The rest of your day. Okay, for me, it's nighttime for me. I'm going to bed. Bye. You can go. See you guys tomorrow.